It came in as that they hit the panic alarm over here, and then they said it could have been a person that's emotionally depressed. So not too sure what's going on at this point. But they hit the panic alarm, and police officers respond. So trying to see what's going on. Just going to show you what's going on in the city. So you got one cruiser, 2, 3, and a 4th cruiser right there, and an EMT. So just want to see what we get. Like I said, not too sure what it is, but always good to check it out. We're down here by what they call Nubian Square, Dudley Square, that area. This is a pretty busy area of Boston, just so you guys know. This is like one of the busiest areas in the city. A lot of foot traffic, a lot of pedestrian traffic in and out, car traffic, buses. Probably off to another call. So it looks like they all cleared out of here. Like I said, this area is always busy. There's always something going on. Any given moment, there's something activity taking place over here. Not too much going on. Just want to give you guys a little view of a little activity taking place down here in the square, or the triangle, whichever way you want to call it. Some people call it the square, some people call it the triangle. So it could be called the square or the triangle. I'm not sure. They called it giant lickers, but I don't think that's called giant lickers. I think that's, unless that's the name they use. Maybe it's like a
There was a male driving a blue Subaru, yelling out that he wanted someone to shoot him. Yes.
Yeah, so I guess
direction on it. It's a blue Subaru Crosstrek 2014, 221 Tango Yankee 4.
I guess they're gonna evaluate him, and if he's okay, he's good to go. So look like they're all set. Look like the guy that they evaluated may be okay. Not too sure exactly, but this way you catch all the buses. Like you get all these from this location. You probably get anywhere in the city, whether you take the train or the bus. So you got buses that go to Ashmont. You got buses that go to Mattapan Square. You got buses that go to Ruggles, Jackson. So they go all different directions. So it looks like Boston Police is clearing out. So they did they did what they had to do. And Boston EMS look like they're gonna clear out as well. So looks like everything worked out pretty good. Alrighty. Until next time, guys. And there's Porter. Just showing you what's going on in the city.